This lecture is an introduction to competency number 3, Fundamentals of Typography. So far we have been working with composition and establishing an understanding of figure, ground, and using basic geometric shapes as the figure element that we placed into our ground space and which we then manipulated in the last assignment to visually convey a message. Typographic design is the process of arranging letters, words, and text for almost any context imaginable, and it is among one of the most important tools a designer can master for effective visual communication. In the following assignment, we will begin utilizing type as the figure that you will place into your ground or space and manipulate to convey a message. As a graphic designer, type is an element you will have to deal with in most of your design problems, whether it be print, internet, or animation. I would even go as far as to say that as a designer, you will be dealing with type about 99% of the time, maybe even as high as 99.9% of the time, because in this industry, which we call visual communication, that is exactly what you will be doing, visually communicating a message. And normally, you will be accomplishing this with a certain amount of type in your design, beginning with the understanding that type has two functions for the designer: the understanding of type terminology and anatomy, the basic typefaces, type elements, and type accessories. So let's begin with type's two functions. The first one as a communication tool, to actually communicate information, such as instructions in a manual or a story for a book or magazine. That's communication, communicating information. But it also can be used as a design element, strictly to design with. At this level, you're not concerned about whether it's legible. Your main objective at this level is to use it purely as a design element, to visually enhance your content or message. Type, terminology, and anatomy. There is some basic type terminology that we must obtain in order for us to communicate our designs with other designers, which you will find this information in the reading section of the project. You will need to have knowledge of the 4 basic categories of typefaces, which are sans serif, serif, and the serif comes in bracketed serif and unbracketed serifs, script or calligraphy, also known as either one, script or calligraphy. Typographic elements. This is the part of your design tools that you can use to manipulate your type use and arrangement within your design. Then type accessories. These are not actual type elements, but more of accents to highlight and add visual interest to your design, such as rules, dingbats, borders of type and type design tools will enable you to use type in your designs to achieve a level of creativity and uniqueness and to obtain that wow factor in your designs.